Just revise this numerical, that in this numerical we are supposed to match the pairs on left hand side with the pairs on right hand side. So match each of the high level language statements given on the left hand side with the most natural addressing modes from those listed on the right hand side. The very first statement is A of 1 is equals to B of j. Now A of 1 is equals to B of j. Here a kind of a index is provided for the array which is A. So B of j is a kind of a index that is provided for A of 1. So this particular A is the first is an example of index addressing mode, because in index addressing mode we use source index or destination index. An example for index addressing mode can be move al comma in square bracket si plus 0 1 h. Now in this particular scenario here B of j can be considered as an index. So the most suitable answer for one statement is index addressing. Now for second statement, while asterisk of a plus plus. So this is very obvious that we are specifying an increment over here. So this will become an example of auto increment addressing mode. So and the last one is int temp is equals to asterisk of x. So here the value of the temp variable is not directly given, that it is the integer and some value is directly specified, but the memory location is taken over here. So this becomes an example of indirect addressing mode. So A is an example of index addressing mode. Second one is example of auto increment addressing mode, and third is an example of indirect addressing mode. So 1B, 2C and 3A. This will become the answer for this particular question.